Hello, my name is Helena Hjortsberg and I'm the Director of Product Management for Level Instruments at Emerson. Today I'm here to introduce the Rosemount 34-way wireless level transmitter to you. This non-contacting radar sensor utilizes WirelessHART technology to provide accurate and reliable level measurements without the need for wiring. It's designed for use with both liquids and solids, so now customers can streamline level monitoring in remote or hard-to-access areas without the hassle and cost of running cables. There are several benefits of using this level transmitter. The most important one is cost. You can eliminate wiring, engineering work, and approvals for digging on site, which can cut installation costs by up to 50% per point. It's also incredibly flexible. If you need to add or relocate a measurement point, you can do it in minutes. Operationally, this wireless level transmitter minimizes downtime, avoids reactive maintenance, and enhances team safety by reducing the need for manual rounds. Additionally, with features like smart meter verification and signal quality metrics, you gain actionable insights that support reliable, data-driven decisions. So you're not just saving money, you're also enhancing performance and achieving peace of mind. This product is ideal across a wide range of industries and applications, from chemical plants and grain storage to remote tanks and tailing dams in mining, as well as tank farms. Essentially, it suits any setting where wired instrumentation is just too costly. It's especially well-suited for non-critical applications, offering a simple, scalable way to integrate more automation into your facility without significant investments. The Rosemount 3408 wireless level transmitter stands out from other wireless level transmitters on the market due to its native WirelessHART technology. This self-powered device communicates using the WirelessHART protocol, eliminating the needs for external power supplies or additional infrastructure. This makes installation both fast and easy. One of the most helpful features of the Rosemount 3408 wireless level transmitter is its seamless integration into existing host systems. If you're operating with Emerson systems like DeltaV or Ovation, the process is native, transparent, and seamless. But this transmitter can also be integrated with any host system that supports FDI. This makes it easy for customers to install Emerson wireless devices within their plants and gain greater control over their processes.